I'm Garrett with Aldan American, and today we have our friend Charlie's 1970 Ford Ranchero. This Ranchero, stock front suspension, hooked up with a 4-link suspension in the rear. So what we're going to be doing, we've got our bolt-in, fully adjustable, ride height adjustable Aldan coilovers. Full kit. We've got them for the 1960 to the 1979 Ford Ranchero. Replaces the factory spring and shock, and will set you up on fully ride height adjustable coilovers. Within those front kits, we've got all of our CNC laser cut brackets designed for an OEM style fitment. All the hardware you'll need to bolt in and set up those front coilovers. And now on this car going to the rear, with that 4-link, we've measured out the ride heights, we've determined our spring rates. So we've got our Phantom Series fully adjustable Aldan coilovers, and these will be bolted in on the rear on that new 4-link. Now, if you've got a Ford Ranchero and you've got just a factory style suspension in the rear, you may have the factory rear leaf springs. We've got a full line of adjustable shocks designed for the Ford Ranchero. So, if you're into Rancheros, if you've got a 1960 and 1979, stay tuned for this build. And in addition to that, check out aldanamerican.com.